A few months ago, I bought this house for my 22nd birthday, and we had to tear down all of the inside. And today is part 1,000,003, so we're building out the new kitchen cabinets. And we better do this fast because we literally have less than a month before it needs to be rented. Now, the good news is that most cabinets come pre-built, but they are a lot more expensive, so I decided to buy these that I had to build myself. And in this video, I'm showing you guys the first one that I actually built out, which took me about 2 hours. And just keep in mind, this is one of like 12 cabinets that I have to build with 23 days to have this house ready. Most times I really question myself on the timelines of these projects because they literally just seem impossible. The cabinet instructions were actually pretty clear and kind of easy to follow, kind of like a little IKEA build. So if you've ever done those, you either love them or hate them. This cabinet came out pretty square, unlike my back, which has been hurting for the last 2 days. I will say though, I think it's going to be super satisfying to see all the cabinets in their places with brand new granite in. And let me tell you something, the toughest part of this whole build were these drawers. Not only did I have to build the drawer itself, but I also had to align it really square inside the cabinet so it wouldn't be all wobbly. I'm not gonna lie though, for someone who has never built a cabinet a day in their life, this one actually came out pretty well. Of course, if you want to see the final build,